Cincinnati, Ohio. This here is Kevin. He's about a year-old mini Goldendoodle joining the 1-week Freedom Boarding Train family. Owners are wanting to work on his basic obedience and some bad manners as well. A little bit of jumping, some counter surfing, getting a hold of some items in the home he shouldn't have. Recall is huge for this guy. Apparently he likes to squeeze through the fence and roam the neighborhood and just doesn't want to come back when they tell him to come back. So we'll go ahead and get into it and see what it is that Kevin can do so far. Hey Kevin, you come? Kevin, come? Come? Oh, good boy. Kevin, you sit? Sit. Good sit, good job, buddy. Good boy. Oh, looks like we gotta work on that sit a little bit. Kevin, place. 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 And it doesn't appear that he understands what place is. So check us back out here in the next week and we will see what Mr. Kevin can do then. Hey, buddy. I know, you're such a little guy. Kevin, come. Good boy. Good boy. Come. Good job. Kevin, sit. Sit. Good sit. Good job, good boy. That's a good sit. Good boy, Kevin. Kevin, come. Kevin, sit. Very good sit. Good job. Good sit. Good boy. Kevin, come. Good boy, good job. Good boy, Kevin. Good boy. Good boy, Kevin. Break. That was such a good job, good boy. Such a good job, good boy, Kevin. Good boy. Kevin, sit. Good sit, good boy. Good sit. Kevin, come. Good boy, Kevin. Good job, good boy. Good boy. Such a good boy. Very good boy. Good job, good boy. Good job, good boy. Place. Come on, buddy. Place. Come on, place. Kevin, place. I know. Good job. Sit. 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 Good place. Good sits. Kevin, break. Break. Buddy, break. Good boy. Good job. Good boy. Kevin, place. Good job. Good place. Good boy. Very good job. job. That's such a good boy, Kevin. Ready? Kevin, break. Good job. Very good boy. I know, we'll get some water. Kevin, place. Good job. Good place, good boy. That was a very good job, good boy. Kevin, place. Good boy. Good place, good job. Good place, Kevin. Kevin, place. Such a good boy. Good place, good sit. Good sit. Kevin, place. Good boy. Sit. Good job. Ready? Kevin, break. That was such a good boy. Good job, Stinker. Such a good boy. Good job, Kevin. Place. Good job. Good boy. Good boy. boy. Kevin, place. Good boy, good job. Kevin, place. Good boy. Kevin, come. Good, come, good boy. Kevin. Good job. Break. Good boy. Good job, good boy. Kevin, sit. Good sit, good boy. Good sit. Break. Kevin, break. Good boy. Good job, good boy, buddy. That was such a good job, good boy. on. Hey, come on. Come on. Good boy. Good job, Kevin. Place. Good boy, Kevin. Good place. Good boy. Good boy. Ball's already unlocked. Good boy, Stinker.
What's up?
He runs still. He's a good boy. Uh-oh.
Hi there.
That's a good boy. Good boy. You want to say hi to Dougie? You want to say hi to Dougie? Kevin. Great. Come on, Great. Good boy. You could go say hi. Go get him. Go say hi. Good boy, buddy.
Good boy. Good job.
Kevin, sit. Good sit. Good boy. Good job. Good sit. Good boy. Kevin, load up. Good boy, Kevin. Good job. Good boy, buddy. Good boy.
Kev, come. Kev, come.
Good boy.
Break.
Good job, Kevin.
Kev, place. Kev, place.
Good boy, Kev.
Break. Good boy. Good boy.
Good boy, Kevin. You ready? Okay, you can try again with Mom. Kev, come. Kev, come. Come. Good boy, good come. Kev, sit. Good boy. Kev, place. Good boy. Good boy, Kev. Kev, place. Good boy, Kev. Good boy. Good boy. Kev, sit.
Good.
Good boy. Kev, come. Good boy, Kev. Sit. Good boy. Kev, sit. Good boy. Kev, sit.
There you go. Good.
Sit. Good boy. Kev, come. Good boy. Kev, sit. Good boy. Break. Good boy. That's a good baby. Kev, come.
There you go.
Good boy. Kev, place. Good boy. Good place. Kev, sit. Sit. Kev, sit. Sit.
There you
Good
go.
boy.
Good. I know, buddy. You're getting tired. That's a good job.
Break. Good boy. That's
Good
a
job,
boy,
buddy.
Kevin. Good job, buddy.
Such a good
We are John and Kirsten Collins, and this is Kevin. And we brought Kevin to off leash because he was just doing normal puppy things, not listening, great, squeezing through the fence, barking. So we just wanted him to have basic manners. But at this point, I think we've gained so much more. He has a lot of skills that he learned in the week that he was here, and we're excited to take him home and continue to test. And Kev will be an off leash dog for life.
Off leash for the win.
Load up. Good boy. Load up. Good boy, Kevin.
Good job, buddy. Bye, Kevin.
Thank you.